Standing next to me is the beautiful Achla Sachlev, who needs no introduction. Hi Achla, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
So what do you think about this show tonight?
Well, I think it's really a great concept, and also because I'm really fond of Raja Ravi Verma's paintings, and I know pretty much about them because I followed them through.
That's nice. You're one of the first persons I met who actually told me that who's been following the paintings and everything. How does it feel? I mean, that's a different art altogether.
Well, I think art and fashion basically go together, and considering it's been such a great marriage, and also Satya Paul, who really knows about saris, has interpreted them very well. The texture of the saris is what really comes across in every one of Raja Ravi Verma's paintings, and I think they managed to do that in the show today, so for me that was really good.
So would you actually pick up one of those?
I want to, so I'm going to go to Kimaya and check them out for sure.
Okay, now coming to your thing, what do you think about the choreography of the show? I think it was absolutely beautiful. Would you like to say something about it?
Sorry?
About the choreography?
Yeah, see, a kind of show like that doesn't really require a lot of choreography. You need to be more straightforward and all. What I really liked about the show was, of course, besides the saris, is the music. It was a very good idea to use the right kind of music that blended, and also with the tal and with the saas and everything, which worked very well with the Indian traditional theme. So I guess the contemporary thing was the women with the hair open.
Absolutely.
And stuff. So it wasn't like tied back and all that, but it is a
Very today's look.
It's very today's look, yes.
With
the traditional
blend and everything.
Absolutely.
Tell me, how important is the role of a choreographer in any show?
Well, I think it's very important because, we select the style and how we put it together. We also know, it's like a casting, who's going to look good in what sari, what color looks good on the person, what kind of stage, what kind of music, and, putting it all together. So without a choreographer, you can't really put that together.
So, I mean, does choosing a models play a very vital role in any fashion show?
Well, at least me as a choreographer always almost do it like a casting. Because I think a model can be very well known and everything, but she might not fit the role. So it's very important to fit them to the look and to the style and to the sari and to whatever it's demanding.
Absolutely.
Suppose there was a jeans kind of look. So the girls who only are used to straight walk and not used to fun and projecting fun, I would not use them in the show. So that's how casting, yeah, so you have to like almost cast them, so.
Thanks a lot for being on our show. Anything for our viewers out there?
Well, always stay in fashion and always stay in style.
Thank you.